In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove lock screen background and widgets in Windows 11. So first, in your desktop's homepage, right-click on any area. Then next is select Personalize. So it should open up the personalization settings page. And from here, all you have to do is click on lock screen. And to remove widgets like weather or news, look for the option called Lock Screen Status. Then click on the drop down menu and set it to none. Now, to simplify the background, change the personalize your lock screen option from Windows Spotlight to Picture. And here, choose a plain image of your preference or even a slideshow of your choice. And lastly, look for the option called Show the Lock Screen Background Picture on the sign in screen and turn it off. And that's it. So thank you for watching this video and see you again on the next one.